Today we are going to take a look at the various types of insurance coverage as well as begin to understand the importance of it. Insurance is an essential way that you can protect yourself from unforeseen events that can ruin your finances, your property, or your health. Throughout this presentation, you'll receive instruction on where to begin the process of purchasing insurance. In addition, you'll have a basic understanding of the cost of insurance as well as the factors that go into determining the price of it. In life, bad things unfortunately happen. Unpleasant as it may seem, something life-threatening or financially devastating could happen to you. So what can you do to protect yourself from unforeseen events that can ruin your finances, your property, and your health? Insurance is what you get when you pay a company to protect you against a particular loss or cover a legal responsibility. An example of a loss could be theft of personal property, whereas a legal responsibility could be paying someone else's medical bills if you caused an automobile accident. By purchasing insurance, you have your stolen property replaced or pay for costly medical bills without going bankrupt. Because there are many kinds of losses or legal responsibilities you can experience, there are many kinds of insurance available to you. Some common kinds of insurance include automobile, life, disability, home, health, and property. However, there are also many kinds of specialty insurance including theft, motorcycle, boat, and travel. Once you have a basic idea of what you want to protect, you'll want to contact an insurance company to purchase an insurance policy. Insurance is most often sold through insurance agents, but is also sold by companies via phone, mail, or even the internet. Insurance may also be offered to employees as part of their benefits. The most common type of insurance offered is health insurance, but is also or could also include auto, home, or life. To find an insurance company, you can start by looking in the yellow pages of your local phone book and by asking your friends and relatives for the names of insurance agents and companies they use. You can also find companies by contacting your state insurance department or a consumer organization such as the Insurance Information Institute. You've decided that you need insurance and you know where to buy it, but how much will it cost? There are several factors that contribute to the overall cost of the insurance you want to buy. Factors include age, behavior, financial stability, geography, deductible, and other miscellaneous factors. In some cases, such as auto insurance, the younger you are, the more expensive your insurance will be. This is because insurance companies know that inexperienced drivers tend to have more accidents. It is the opposite with life insurance. If you are young, you are expected to live longer, which means you will pay less. Insurance companies also view your past behavior as an indication of how you will act in the future. This means that if you have had accidents or speeding tickets, your insurance will be more expensive. Insurance companies also look at large credit card debts or other financial issues as a way to predict future insurance losses. If you're not financially stable, your insurance company will charge you more for less coverage. Where you live can greatly affect the cost of insurance too. For example, if you live in a city where you often pay more for insurance because crime is a bigger problem than rural areas. The same is true with auto insurance. You'll pay more if you live in or near a major city because there are more drivers and therefore potentially more accidents on the road. The amount of the deductible that you choose with your policy will also affect how much you pay for insurance. A deductible is the amount of money you pay when you file a claim. The larger the deductible you decide to have, the lower premium you will pay on your policy. Finally, when you're purchasing insurance for something, a good rule is that the more expensive an item, the more expensive the insurance. For example, the cost to insure a $1 million home will be greater than the cost to insure a $100,000 home. Other factors come into play based on the risk or likelihood that the insurance company will have to pay a claim for the item. For example, it costs more to insure a sports car than a minivan because the insurance company knows it is more likely to have to pay a claim on a sports car due to theft, accident, or injury. So what is a deductible? A deductible is the amount of money you pay when you file a claim. This can be either a specified dollar amount or a percentage of the claim amount. For example, if you have an auto accident that causes $2,500 in damage and your deductible is $500, then you have to pay $500 before the insurance company will pay the rest of the amount. The larger the deductible you have, the lower cost or premium you'll pay on your policy. For example, if you have a $250 deductible, then your insurance premium might be $75 a month. If you increase your deductible to $500, then your insurance premium might drop to $50 a month. Deductibles might be different for different parts of your insurance policy. In your auto policy, for instance, your deductible for theft might be one amount, while your deductible for collision might be another. On your own, you are now going to start taking a look at the various types of insurance. Please review the insurance project instructions and rubric to review the next portion of this lesson.